glimpse of the beautiful lake. Different angle. I ski with Frankie Z.
Ski Frankie Z, get him to 20,000.
Who am I with here?
You're with Maddox, a professional zipliner.
Where you from, Matt?
I'm from Boca Raton, Florida.
All the way from Florida. Up here in heavenly. Matt has offered to be an I Ski with Frankie Z contestant on the Zipline. So check us out. He's going to keep the I Ski with Frankie Z phone too. This is clear. Coming right here. Go and stand up. Nice job.
This is my second time doing an actual zipline.
Is that right?
Yep.
What's your name? Sam, great job. Zipline coming to you from heavenly at South Lake Tahoe. Now I'm gonna start taking everything off and get you
Hello. Subscribe.
I Ski with Frankie Z.
I Ski Frankie Z, get him to 20,000.
Who am I with here?
You're with Maddox, a professional zipliner.
Where you from, Matt?
I'm from Boca Raton, Florida.
All the way from Florida.
Yeah.
Up here in heavenly. So we're gonna get him on the zip line. Matt has offered to be an I Ski with Frankie Z contestant on the zip line. I Ski with Frankie Z contestant on the zip line. So check us out. Here we go, Matt.
Sir.
Ready? Let's do it. Come on over. Let me put this safety line behind you. Safety 1, safety 2, check. Zip line handle, check. Snap check. Safety hook 1, safety hook 2. Okay, here we go. Matt's gonna take us all the way down, all the way in from Florida. You ready? Let's go.
Woo! Thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe.
So we want to make sure we get Big Matt. down there. Good job, man. Thanks for being a good participant on the zip line with Ice Ski with Frankie Z. Taking this. Hell with Maggie. We're taking the sky lift. We're going high, baby. We're going high. It's late afternoon. We need some cold terrain. Here we go. Nice sky candy.